Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Lady Borgia, and it is already July Boxycharm. I can't believe it, we're already halfway through summer and I have not seen a pool yet. That's really weird. I haven't been at my best, a little bit under the weather with my health issues, but if you're in question, check below and you can see my invisible diseases. In fact, I'm filming part 2 soon, so it makes more sense. Anyway, let's go check out what is in this box. I have no clue, I haven't seen a spoiler, I have no ESP, no idea what's in it, so let's go check it out. Give your girl a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and ding-da-ding-ding-dong, ding! Hit that notification bell because I am live with 2 different shows weekly, Lady Borgia Live and Interview You Stories, Monday and Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern, and I have multiple video uploads. Alright, let's go have fun. Spit, Jesus. Alright, I'm ready. I just popped the tape with my scissors. I have not seen anything in it. I'm going to pop it open down here and set it down and stick my hand in. My nose is hurting. I smacked myself in the nose before. Let's see. Okay, here is the card, the information card. I'm not going to look because I'm going to reach in and find what we have first. I feel something round and tubular. It is... what the hell? Needles no more. I haven't had needles yet. No more baggage. Eye depuffing gel, Dr. Brandt. All right, we seem to be getting a lot of repeat companies, so it looks like they're making deals over there. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, I like the postcard so much better because inevitably something is written on the crease. But here we go, like Vanna White. Dr. Brandt, no more baggage. Say goodbye to puffy and hello to youthful, rested-looking eyes. Well, you couldn't just get some sleep now, could you? Okay, sorry. Youthful, rested eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomedic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts. It's not as fancy as it sounds, trust me, scientists. You are guaranteed visibly reduced under-eye bags and dark circles. It is Valentina's favorite. Go Valentina, I don't know who you are, but I'm glad you love it. And it is $42 for this little bitty thing. Well, I haven't been feeling well. I don't know. I've never had a needle in my face. Well, when I had my wisdom teeth out, definitely. So, I guess we will try that out, and I know I owe you guys so many first impressions videos. I swear they are coming, even if they're late. I haven't erased the last 2. So, let's go in. I feel something square, and it is, let's say Ava, Note. Luminous Silk Compact Blusher Argan Oil. Blush with oil? Okay. Note, I don't want to peek at the other things. Okay, well, let's open the box and just see. It says Desert Rose. Ow. Let's not bust my nails off. They're not done, but they could be. Open, please. Note, Desert Rose. Okay. And it's, okay, powder. I don't know where the oil is. Maybe it's in the powder. It's a peachy blush. Alright. Oh, it's got a mirror though. I'm going to close it because it feels like it's going to fall. Let's read about it. I'll hold it up. Alright. Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. Used blush to moisturize my cheeks. Okay, whatever works for you. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact 3-in-1 treat. Sorry, couldn't help it. Perfect for the charmer on the go. MSRP $11.99. This is Joelle's favorite. Once again, I don't know who any of these people are, but Joelle, I'm glad it's your favorite. I do want to see, I'm a little bit curious. I'm not a huge fan of peachy blushes. I'm not a huge, like, blush girl. I mean, I have enough colors. Oh, it does. It's got, look, that little thing flips open, and there's, like, a little blush. I I don't know. I've never had to reapply blush, but I guess if you're carrying your stuff around in your gym bag, it can be helpful. I have a little bag in my purse that technically I could reapply makeup if I didn't have any on, but I don't always wear makeup. I know. Let's go to the next one. I feel something round. It is, I don't know. What is this? Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Well, at least it's taupe. Okay. Taupe is one of my colors. I use Dip Brow in soft brown or taupe. And the perfect pencils. Anyway, Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. I just did a brow video. In fact, I will link it. Whichever side it goes, I will pop it in there. And I'll link it below. It is part 1 of my brow series, and it also teaches you how to set it up, the proper proportions, and all kinds of magical tricks to make your eyes appear closer or farther or fun stuff like that. Anyway, eyebrow cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. MSRP, $26. Debbie's favorite. We gotta look up who these people are. All right, let's open it. Oh, okay. There's a brush. What's on the other end? Am I gonna break it? Oh, I get it. So there's a little bit of brow stuff in here, and then let me see if I like this brush. Oh, it's kind of okay. It's all right. It's got a little bit of stiffness. I prefer them to have a white tip, though. Honestly, it makes it easier to see because I don't like getting product all the way down to there. I don't know. We'll try it out. That could be a little bit awkward, seeing exactly how much product you're going to get on it, but I don't know. It could be really cool if I could get it closed. We will try it out. And I really am putting up the first impressions videos, and I have them from May and June as well. I'm going to do it. They have filmed. So next thing, I feel 2 things in here. Okay, we've got a tube of something. Ooh! I'm going to assume this is something for lips since we got blush. It is... Oh no, I'm wrong. It's nothing lip. Darn, that was a pretty color. Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. All right. From Wander Beauty. Wait, I want to see this. So it's a tube. Wow. Oh, I kind of like the brush. That's kind of, all right. I don't know. I have so much mascara. I don't know why. I get given mascara a lot. But let's see. So far, I'm not, it's okay. I don't know. All right. What is here? Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes into new heights. Literally. Oh God, are we going to go into huge percentages again? And of course, it's right in the crease again. Anyway, this unlashed mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. MSRP $24. Chola's favorite. Okay, cool. I'll try it out. Alrighty, I know we've got something else in here. It seems to be some sort of palette. I did not look. Okay, I see that it is something Crown, which we've been getting a lot. It's a lot of the same brands. Vintage, Crown, so on and so forth, Luxie. I have not seen Note before, though, or Wander, so... Alright, we're getting into some other things. There's another Crown. Crown Pro something. Should I just read it, or should I open it? Let's open it. It is neutrals! Warm neutrals. Oh, let me take that off. It looks kind of like my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette from last summer. So, it smells good though. And I was right last month. That one was really good. And it turned out good. Which I shouldn't tell you because it's in the video. But I didn't edit. All right, let's get to the mirror below here. Okay, crown brush. I was not thrilled with the last crown one. I think it was crown. Anyway, get to it, girl. Crown brush Fuego eyeshadow collection. Yeah, fire. So it is possibly some dupes for the Naked Heat. Made up of rich, warm tone shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making the palette for all your glam goals. I don't know about that, but I mean, it's cute, it's warm, it reminds me of the Urban Decay Naked Heat. But I'll check it out. I don't know. I'm not particularly wowed. I will check these things out, do a first impressions and look. All right, I'm also going to be doing a lot more colorful looks lately and a lot of stuff that you see me do other places and not on here. So I will start including those as requested. All right, tell me what you think, if you're excited about yours, what you like, what you don't like. That was fun. I don't know. I like last month's palette and that butt cream better. Even though I haven't used her, that just amused the hell out of me. That was a good one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and a ding 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 dong ding. Hit that notification bell because I am live with 2 different shows. Weekly, Monday and Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern with Lady Borgia Live and Interview You Stories. And I upload multiple videos. Okay, thanks guys. Goodbye. I love you. See you soon.